Live, but you deserve it so much more. I think everybody and their mama know. If you got a sew-in or any type of weave in your head, and you got a scarf on, your head is not laid down. But y'all know why y'all clicked on this video. Y'all see that title? Today is the day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright. Oh, dang. It don't look that bad, but still. Okay, now I look bad. Oh, my God. I've only had this sewing in for 2 months, and it felt like I had it in for 5. Let's get into it. I'm not gonna lie, I do have a headache too. I cut everything except for the closure. This is no way a tutorial. Hello. Okay. Viewer discretion is advised. Usually I'll cut like the beginning of it. Look at all that. I did not mean to cut it like that. Yes, I did. But usually I'll cut one end of the thread and then I'll just feel for the rest. But if I can't feel for the rest, best believe I'm gonna be snipping. And then let's look at all this glue. Well, it's more than that. And I actually been rubbing my fingers against it. I'm bald head. Oh my God. I don't think I'm gonna stand for this whole video taking this out. Then again, I might get inspired and actually stand here because I want this out. Okay, let me start down here. There we go, we making some progress. Why didn't I bring no water here? I'm thirsty. Am I still cute? No? Okay. I do recommend that if you are taking out a sewing and watching this video, please be careful. Please be careful. Also, leave a comment. How long do you leave your sew-ins, frontals, closures? How long do you keep them in for? Because this was 2 months and it felt like forever, I swear. Oh, is that my hair? That do look like my hair. And I'm not going for that. No, sir. Find that thread. My arms hurt. And I ain't even did nothing yet. Okay, I'm finding thread. Yikes, that light hair too. Is that my hair? That might be that light hair. That look like. Oh. No, it's so dirty, it look like my damn hair. What is going on? I just want you to. It's like a freaking sandcastle in there. I ain't got no edges, I just have a bald head. thumbnail finna be like this. Ay, ay, ay. Just out here, bald head. I think I'm gonna fast forward the video because I'm struggling and I don't want to sit on this part too long. Y'all get bored. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna fast forward the video. And I'll be back when we making some progress. Cut my hair, but you know what? It ain't time to get emotional, not yet. But I really do think I just cut my hair. I'm about to be over sad. Like I said, it ain't no. Say it, girl, say it. This is not a tutorial. This is a do not do. Do not do what I do. Well, yeah, feel for the thread and stuff, but still, do not do what I do. Do not do what I do. I feel like I'm not making any progress. I can't feel the thread over here. So what I do is make sure the scissors is really close. There we go, got a thread. To the thread, not the thread. What's that thing called? To the track. The whelp. Or I'll stick a comb in there, try to make room, space it away from my hair. And yeah, it should come loose. Or it should be easy to cut, I should say. If I'm not sure, well, if you're not sure, do not use the whole shears to cut. Use just one. Hold the string out and cut. So if this was a thread, just cut. Do not close the whole shears if you're not sure. Act like a little saw. Going back and forth. Okay, so back to the program. Can I rock it like this? No. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'll look right with short hair.
Like, what type of short hair?
This short hair.
I can't see your little bubble blocking. What the fuck am I looking at?
Oh my god. No, forget the ponytail. Oh, we finished.
Girl, don't sit up here and teach your kids the damn days of the month.
When it reach half the month, it's the next month. I'm convinced. Am I cute?
Fine or whatever.
Okay, auntie. Then I gotta work on getting my edges back. I don't care what nobody say. The glue, snatch edges. Got to be, got my edges.
Oh, you talking about the black or yellow?
All of them.
That's what I'm using right now.
They snatch edges. I don't know.
Oh, you talking about they take your edges off?
Yes. that stuff itch. But it's time to comb out all this shedded hair. Great. Wow. There's hair everywhere. Yikes. Let me go brush it out. Call me Corilla Key. Corilla Cavill. Corilla Cavill. Yep. Thumbnails be like, I'm kind of feeling this, you know? I mean, without the glue in my hair, but yeah, I'm kind of feeling this. Yikes, and it's thick. Okay. Shaka Key. Shaka Key, boy. What is stuff itching? It's stuff itching so bad. But I'm finally free. I think I've been saying for 2 weeks now. 2 weeks I've been saying, I'm gonna take my hair down. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. And the day itself, I finally took my hair down. Now I'm dreading this wash. It's okay. I'll be great. Is that glue? No, that's everything. Like, my hair look like it got sand. Ah. Look at that. I might have to wash my hair 4 times. That's okay. It's all right. Okay. No, it's not. I like the Sahara Desert. Oh, I need some tissue because all in my nose. Oh my God. But anyways, if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you give it a like, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also drop me a comment below and go watch some of my previous videos. Okay, let me stop. Bye.